Faraday's Kit version 2.0, a teaching aid for Faraday's Law. We are Physics Ador from College Matrikulasi Labuan.
Hai, saya Farina.
Hai, nama saya Fatia Muhammad.
Hi, I'm Mr. Tech. Hi, saya Mr. Amin.
Also special thanks to our fellow colleagues who have contributed for our research. Faraday's law states that the induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux linkage. Well, induced EMF and rate of change of magnetic flux is very abstract. We have limited hands-on to show and students cannot connect with daily life. More than 80% of students cannot understand the terms rate of change of magnetic flux. So we intend to create a hands-on teaching aid to physically and visually shows how magnetic flux changes and to boost their interest in learning physics. Our first kit used sliding magnet. This is our older model with just a single coil, and we have published a paper on this. Now we have upgraded the kit into 11 coils with multiple LEDs in order for a greater visuals of induced EMF. As the magnet passes through the multiple coils, the LED will light up as indication of induced EMF. Now you see, the magnet have to slide, have to move in order to change the magnetic flux before the LED can light up. If the magnet is left stationary, not moving at the center, the magnetic flux do not change and thus no LED will light up. Now look at both ends. The LEDs only light up at the bottom, not at the top, because as the speed of magnet increases, the greater the induced EMF, then the LED will light up. Our second kit employ mutual induction. This kit is special because we have DIY the power supply ourselves. We use a repurposed power adapter and with a module to provide a steady 9 volt for our primary coil instead of using an expensive 9 volt battery. There is a switch, there is a resistance box at our primary coil, and as you can see, we have wrapped the primary coil and secondary coil around a toilet roll. Okay? And the center one is the primary coil with 100 turns, and the left hand side and right hand side there are two secondary coils with 20 turns and 200 turns and with LEDs. This is the module just now. You can just turn the potentiometer there to change to any other voltage you want for your other physics project. This one you must switch on and switch off, then only got change of flux, then LED light up. But switch on all the time, no change in flux, LED does not light up. You must switch on and switch off, then only the LED lights up because got change of flux. You see, switch on and switch off, change of flux, you have LED light up. But switch on all the time, you see, switch on all the time, no change in flux, no LED. I can also change the current, change of flux using the resistance box. Now I change a 10 ohm only, 10 ohm. Small change current, small change of flux. The LED very dim, LED very dim. Now I change a 200 ohm, big change of current, big change of flux, very bright LED. I can also just use the crocodile clip, brush together, it also acts as a switch. LED also light up, you must brush quickly. You see, the right hand side is brighter because got 200 turns. I got 200 turns. You see, can see the sparks also, got 9 volt change in the primary coil, see the sparks there?
What do you mean by power adapter? It changed from the AC current become DC for your project. You tahu tak dalam mak-mak kita ada power supply yang besar kan? Power supply yang besar tu, actually tak, kita tak payah power supply yang besar tu, kita perlu power adapter kan?
Saya tak sangka kamu akan dia. Ada current. Saya tak buka tengok lama-lama bila saya pasang, ada current tapi dia tak menyala sebab dia ada perubahan. Perubahan apa? Perubahan flux itu tidak berlaku. Dan saya buka, tutup, dia kena ada change. Change of flux kena sentiasa berlaku.
bagus. Baru nak tanya. Okey, kalau dia stop satu sampah tengah-tengah, apa jadi? Ada coil yang sikit dengan ada coil yang banyak.
Impact on students' interest. Based on the video just now, you can see that more than 80% of students feel this is fun, enjoyable. They prefer this hands-on learning experience. It also sparked their interest in learning physics. They appreciate what they have learned. Impact on their understanding. Based on both projects, the sliding magnet and the mutual induction, what are the main cause or common things between these two that light up the LED, induce the EMF? They can see it is because of change of flux through the movement magnet and also or change of current in the primary coil, change of flux. What are the wow factors in this project? Wow factor. They like the visual, they like the physical things to show the abstract concepts. They finally understood the Faraday's law formula about rate of change of magnetic flux induced EMF. They even like the DIY power supply. Commercialization, this is an innovative design. Yeah, you have the DIY power supply there, you have two different kits to explain the same concept. This is very user friendly. With that, I say thank you.